How to delete suggested for you on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can delete suggested for you on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Sometimes what happens is that Facebook will give us so much recommendations that sometimes may not be necessary or related to us at all. It will show suggested from this person, suggested from that person, and so on, right? So one way that you can remove it is by simply tapping on the three dots and you can select show less. So next time this type of post will actually get shown less. Or you can just tap on the three dots option here. You can go to manage your feed and then you can choose to reduce what kind of content you would like to see here, right? So you can go ahead and reduce such type of content. Now there isn't a complete way to eliminate these, but you can remove similar suggestions of this. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.